Select Netflix. Click plus button. Input a random name. Number of accounts to be created. You can skip this source option. You can leave proxy blank, but better bind one account with one proxy. This is the format. Click here to import multiple proxies, or input it here. Email can't be empty. You can import from here. Or input it manually. You can use random data as a password, or input manually. You must write your credit card info. Click here to bind fingerprint. Click Click Settings. OK. Now you can still edit your account info on this table. Remember to click Save. Click Start. You can run only one time or look run. Now it will register automatically.